Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Discord notifications. So if you want to turn off notifications, basically you could just mute the server that you don't want the notifications come to or come from. But if you don't want that and just want to turn off the notifications generally, just go to user settings, which is the gear icon right here. Scroll down till you see the notification section. Click on that. And right here, just click on this, enable desktop notifications. But once you finished disabling it, uh, it should disable all of the notifications, or like here, the per channel or per server notifications. It should disable all of that, but to be sure, and if it's still notifying your computer, I suggest that you go to so I'm just gonna turn this back on since I basically used the notifications, but for this video I suggest that you turn this off, right? But okay, then anyways, what we need to do is search for notifications in our Windows menu. So notifications and actions. Open that up and this will turn on. So find Discord right here. So as you can see, Discord is right here. Click on that and turn the notifications here off. So this will turn off all of the Discord notifications. So basically the problem is done once you turn this off. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.